Hey y'all, Pawpaw here. Well, I hadn't uploaded the video yet. Of course, by the time this one's uploaded, I probably have. Started my boat, found out that the tilt and trim pump had went bad. The motor had. The pump's fine, the motor went bad. Got to go get the part tomorrow for that. So I was thinking, all right, what can I do? I can put lights on my Bimini top. It's dark. It's way dark. Here, let me switch y'all around. All right. There's my Bimini. And I know you probably can't really see it, but I've got a row of tape lights that runs there and across that one. And yes, you can see how dark it is. There's my street light. Can't see nothing else. Oh, I don't need this headlight on anymore. Put that right there for now. All right. So there you have it. We're fixing to do lights on the Bimini. Quick, simple job. Not a how-to, just watch me work. And we'll see what it looks like when I'm done. So let me get you set up. All right. Well, this is our finished product. Let me get over here where the remote only works from a certain distance. Let me get back a little bit. Well, on this little screen, I can't see much. in real life. Looks pretty neat. That's honestly probably where they'll stay most of the time, so we can see what we're doing. All right, well, short, quick, we're done. That's it. That's it. The only light you're getting is from the LEDs I put up top. That's my favorite color. I love blue. All right, well, y'all have a good one, and we'll see you next time.